and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. I am going to make ice cream today, and I'm going to use the Ninja CREAMi. This is going to be my first time using it, so let's open it up first of all. It's an ice cream maker, and this one came with 3 pints, so I can make up to 3 pints of ice cream. And see if we can get it out of here. So this is what it looks like. So we're going to take all of the paper off, all the wrapping off. There we go. So let's see. It has an ice cream on here. Let's see. Ice cream, sorbet, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, gelato, and milkshake. You can do all of these. And then you can mix in some different flavors. I am going to do a sorbet, and I'm going to do an ice cream where I mix in some chocolate chip cookie dough. But let's get all of these washed out first, and then we'll make our mixture. But the mixture has to sit for 24 hours. So today I'm going to just show you how we make the mixture, and then tomorrow we'll show you how to make the ice cream out of the mixture. So I've got my little pint containers washed, and we're going to take this apart. Let me show you how this works. You push this button down here and turn this to get it off of there, and it comes down. So we got to take this apart, open it up, push that button over there to open it up. Take that. There's another little pint in here. Cup in here. What's this? Paddle installation. So there's a paddle in here. Let's see. There's our paddle. And I guess these are the, whoops, there's our paddle. And this just shows you how to do the installation, and I'll show you that. But in the meantime, I gotta get all of this washed first. Make sure it's brand new, make sure you're washing everything first. So it comes with a recipe book or an instruction book and all of that. And the one that I wanna do is the vanilla, because I can add stuff to it. And actually, I wanna add some chocolate chip cookie dough to it. So I want to do that one first. I also want to do a sorbet. I don't know if I'm going to do peach or if I'm going to do pineapple yet. But the ingredients for this: cream cheese, sugar, heavy whipping cream, vanilla, and milk. So I've got all my ingredients. So let's figure out what to do from here. Okay, so our cream cheese is softened. It didn't melt, but it's softened, okay? So to this, we're gonna add our vanilla. We need 1 teaspoon, and since I'm doubling this, we're gonna use 2 teaspoons. So, 1, 2. Next, we are going to add our sugar, and for each one is a 1/3 cup of sugar, but we're gonna double it, so we're gonna use 2/3. So we're gonna use 1/3, 2/3. Okay, and then it wants us to whisk that together. So let's take that and whisk that together. until it looks like frosting. So it's getting there. There we go. Next, we're going to add our heavy cream. And according to our recipe, we needed 3/4 cups. And since we're going to double it, that's going to be 1.5 cups. So let's measure us 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And we're going to add that and stir it until it's dissolved. Until all that sugar is dissolved. Okay. And then we got to add our milk. And for the milk, we need 1 cup, which means we need 2 cups. So let me stir this up just a little bit. All right, let's get 2 cups of milk. There we go. So, on our containers that we're going to put it in, there's a line. Can you see the line? There's a fill line. And so that's where you're going to put the mixture in there, and you can only fill it up to that line, okay? I'm going to try to pour this in here without spilling it. Maybe I'll get a funnel. Hang on, let me get a funnel. Okay, so I have a funnel to make it easier to pour it in here because this bowl doesn't have any type of spout. So I'm going to pour it in there until it reaches the fill line. Oh yeah, I would have made a mess. All right, there's one. Let's do another one. Oh, it didn't mix up as well as I wanted it to. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit more. There we go, we got 2. Okay, so our mixture's done. All we have to do now is put our lids on these, and we are going to let them freeze for 24 hours. In the meantime, I'm gonna find some fruit because I wanna do some sorbet. Let me see what kind of fruit I've got around here. Okay, so I found some peaches because they say you can use fresh fruit or you can use canned fruit. Well, I've got my little peaches, and so I'm gonna do peach for now, and maybe I'll buy some pineapples because I would love to do a pineapple sorbet. So, and you're supposed to have the juice. So I'm gonna just open these up and just put them in there to the fill line. Now this is the real easy one because all you do is put this in and freeze it. Perfect. I just used 4 of these. I'm gonna get all my juice out of here. And then I freeze it. And then in 24 hours, I'll be back and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with all of these. So you guys hang tight.